Instagram hack you might not know, part 14. So we're starting in stories to begin with. We're going to pick a photo, put it all the way up top, and then we're going to choose that same photo within stickers and we're going to flip it upside down. I'm showing you how to get effects because a lot of people can't find them lately. So we're going to save this photo. Go out and now go into Reel. We're going to pull up that same photo, go to effects by tapping the three dots. This is where we will search for all of our effects. We're going to do ripped paper. I chose this one. And now we will save this.